Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel, your Christmas edition. This Christmas season, we are excited to bring you inspiring, heartwarming, and uplifting stories that capture the true spirit and the essence of Christmas. Join us as we share a brand new Christmas story daily throughout the Yuletide season. These stories are designed to fill your heart with joy, peace, and love, thereby creating precious memories that will linger in your heart. They will help you experience the magic of Christmas in a deeper and more meaningful way, beyond the funfare that Christmas is known for. With each new story every other day, you won't want to miss a single moment. So, let's celebrate this season in a way that will stay with you longer after the holidays. So, create time, sit back, relax, and enjoy the stories. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share from my heart to yours. Peace and joy, Titus Ogbateri. And now, today's Christmas story titled, Christmas in Warri, How Obaro Made a Difference. In the oil-rich city of Warri, Nigeria, Christmas was a time of both celebration and reflection. The streets would come alive with decorations and music as families and friends gathered to enjoy the festive season. However, not everyone in Warri could afford the luxury of a grand celebration. In one neighborhood, a group of children gathered every year, hoping for something special, but their families struggled to provide even the most basic gifts. Though many families couldn't afford extravagant celebrations, the spirit of Christmas was still alive in Warri. The streets may not have been filled with luxury, but the hearts of the people were rich with love, hope, and the desire to make the season bright. It was in this setting that a young boy named Obaro dreamed of a Christmas filled with joy, even if it couldn't come in the form of lavish presents. Obaro had always dreamed of a beautiful Christmas. He knew that his family didn't have the money to buy presents, but he still hoped for something magical to happen. Obaro's mother, Ejiro, worked long hours at Okere market, selling food and supplies, but even with her tireless work, the family didn't have enough for a feast or gifts. Still, he did his best to make the holiday special by decorating their small home with handmade ornaments. Determined to make the season brighter, Obaro shared his dream of creating something special for the entire community. His energy was contagious, and soon his siblings joined in, excited by the idea of spreading Christmas cheer. They gathered not only what they had, but also the love and creativity that could turn a humble celebration into something unforgettable. Obaro, always full of energy and optimism, came up with an idea. Instead of waiting for others to give to them, he decided to bring joy to his neighbors. With the help of his siblings, he started a Christmas project in the community. They spent days collecting children clothes from local vendors, and with what little money they had, they purchased balloons for the younger children. Obaro also organized a small carol singing group, and they went from house to house, singing Christmas carols and spreading festive cheer. On Christmas Day, the entire neighborhood gathered in a small park to share food, sing songs, and exchange gifts. The joy in the air was palpable. Obaro's efforts had not only provided food and presents, but also a sense of unity and togetherness in a place where many had struggled to find hope. In the middle of Warri's hustle and bustle, a little boy's love for his community had turned Christmas into something truly special for everyone. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story. Beloved, Obaro's story reminds us that Christmas isn't about the size of the gifts we give, but the love and care behind them. When we choose to focus on what we can give to others, rather than what we don't have, we can create a season of abundance in ways that money can't buy. Obaro's determination to spread joy, even with limited resources, inspired his entire neighborhood and brought them closer together. This Christmas, let Obaro's example inspire you to think about the small, meaningful things you can do for others. It's in these little acts of kindness that the true spirit of the season thrives. Whether it's giving your time, offering your talents, or simply showing up for someone in need, Your love can transform the holiday season into a time of real connection and joy. This Christmas, don't worry about how much you can give. The spirit of Christmas lives in the heart, and even small actions of love can have a huge impact. Whether it's sharing food with a neighbor, offering a smile to someone who is lonely, or simply reaching out to someone in need, your love can create a ripple effect of kindness. It's not about the things we buy, but the love we share. Take a moment to think about how you can bring hope and light to those around you this Christmas. Let your heart guide you in spreading kindness and generosity, and remember that the true spirit of the season is found in the way we care for one another. By choosing love, you make this world a warmer place for everyone. I hope you are inspired by today's Christmas story and learn some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy, prosperous New Year 2025 in advance. From my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbatera.